Hi again, and welcome to Foundation Armor. Today, we're going to answer the question, what is the best paver sealer? Well, there are two main types of paver sealers used to seal concrete pavers, and those are silane siloxane sealers and acrylic sealers. Silane siloxane sealers, also known as water repellent sealers, what they do is they chemically react below the surface to form a hydrophobic barrier within the pores, and that reduces water absorption by up to 95%. Silane siloxane sealers, like the Armor SX5000 WB and Armor SX5000, are the most popular type of concrete sealer for pavers because they won't change the look or the color of the pavers, and they won't leave behind a visible surface film. It's also good to know that silane siloxane sealers are designed specifically for unsealed pavers and pavers previously sealed with a silane siloxane sealer. On the other hand, there are acrylic sealers, and they're designed to enhance and protect the pavers by creating a film over the surface. Water-based acrylic sealers like the Armor WB15 and Armor WB25 leave behind a protective gloss surface film, while solvent-based acrylic sealers like the Armor AR350 and Armor AR500 will darken the pavers to make them look wet and protect them with a low to high gloss surface film. So it's good to keep in mind that the type of sealer that is best for your pavers will really depend on what you want your pavers to look like once they're sealed and what you currently have down for a paver sealer. Thank you so much for tuning in. We greatly appreciate it. And don't forget to visit www.foundationarmor.com for more great videos and to purchase professional grade concrete sealers and coatings. I'll see you next time.